What if you could keep the powerful, stable legs of your 40s right through your 90s? Many of us are told that losing leg strength is just an unavoidable part of getting older. You might first feel it as a slight struggle to rise from your favorite armchair. Then, a simple trip up the staircase starts to leave you winded. Before long, a brief stroll through the park feels like a demanding exercise session. But this decline isn't just about age. It's a specific issue you can actually fight back against, starting with what's on your fork. The muscles in your legs are often the first to show signs of fading power. When they weaken, your sense of balance becomes less reliable, your freedom feels limited, and the chance of a dangerous stumble grows significantly. The encouraging part? You can take steps to regain that strength. In fact, you can begin the process right from your dining table. Today, we're counting down 7 scientifically supported nutritional powerhouses that combat muscle wasting, shield your skeletal system, lower bodily inflammation, and return the strength and self-reliance you need for your golden years. Stick around until the finish, because the top item is likely already in your refrigerator, yet almost everyone is using it incorrectly. Okay, let's begin. Number 1. Wild salmon. Wild salmon is overflowing with omega-3 lipids, which reduce bodily inflammation and assist in muscle tissue regeneration. It's also a powerhouse of pure protein and vitamin D, crucial for both muscular and skeletal integrity. Research published in the Journal of Gerontology indicated that older individuals who increased their omega-3 intake showed notable muscle quality improvements, even with light activity. How to enjoy it? Have baked or pan-seared salmon fillets 2 times weekly. Combine it with quinoa or dark leafy vegetables for a comprehensive muscle-supporting dish. Number 2. Oatmeal. Oats supply complex carbs that offer prolonged, stable fuel to keep your legs active all day. They are also rich in magnesium and iron, key minerals for muscle operation and oxygen transport. How to enjoy it? Make a morning bowl with sliced almonds and cinnamon. You can also mix them into a post-walk smoothie for lasting power and repair. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a natural supply of potassium and magnesium, helping to avoid muscle spasms and exhaustion. Their deep orange color comes from beta-carotene, an antioxidant that protects muscle fibers from age-related wear. How to enjoy it? Mash them or cube and roast with rosemary. An ideal meal after activity for leg recuperation. Number 4. Avocado. Avocados are loaded with beneficial monounsaturated fats and potassium, excellent for muscle and neurological health. These fats enable your system to utilize vitamins A, D, E, and K, all essential for proper muscle and bone function. How to enjoy it? Spread on whole grain crackers, mix into shakes, or dice into salads. Consuming half an avocado daily promotes good circulation and vigor. Number 5. Mixed berries. Blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries are bursting with polyphenol, which neutralize oxidative damage that can degrade muscle cells. They also enhance blood vessel flexibility, helping your limbs feel more nimble and robust. How to enjoy it? Stir in a cottage cheese or enjoy as a fresh snack. Frozen varieties are equally nutritious. Number 7. The incredible egg. Eggs are filled with leucine, the master amino acid that directly switches on muscle synthesis. They're also a prime source of vitamin B12 and choline, which aid the nerve-to-muscle signals that are vital for coordination and steadiness. How to enjoy it? Enjoy them poached or in an omelet. Fold in some mushrooms or peppers for an additional health boost. Your independence is built one nourishing meal at a time. Minor, consistent decisions create major results. Every mouthful is a direct deposit into your personal bank of strength and autonomy. Don't just age. Thrive with every step you take. If this guide was, please press the like button, pass it along to someone in your life who would benefit, and make sure you're subscribed to Natural Life Hacks for more empowering wellness insights.